You have a great sense of humor. You have a great sense of humor. Please take your time. Please take your time. May I know your opinion? May I know your opinion? That's a good question. That's a good question. I am getting ready to start the car. I am getting ready to start the car. I need to stop for fuel. I need to stop for fuel. Can you include delivery in the cost? Can you include delivery in the cost? I am running out of time. I am running out of time. I will call you later. I will call you later. Please wait for me. Please wait for me. I forgot my wallet at home. I forgot my wallet at home. Let's finish this work today. Let's finish this work today. I am looking for my keys. I am looking for my keys. Could you repeat that again? Could you repeat that again? I will be there soon. Please close the door gently. Please close the door gently. I am trying my best. Do you understand this lesson? I need some fresh air. Let's talk about it tomorrow. Let's talk about it tomorrow. I will send the message now. I will send the message now. Please speak a little slower. Please speak a little slower. I am feeling much better. Can you help me with this? I need a short break. It is getting late now. Let's make a quick plan. I am waiting for your reply. Please keep this secret safe. I will check it again.